In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your favorite designs in Canva by starring elements. If you're like many who often delve into the creative landscape of Canva, you know how rapidly things can become cluttered with the vast array of designs and ideas. Having a quick way to access your favorite elements can be a real game changer, streamlining your design process and significantly enhancing productivity. Let's dive into Canva and explore how just a few clicks can make your future design projects much easier and more organized. Our focus today revolves around utilizing Canva's star feature for efficiently saving your favorite elements. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Canva account and find your existing designs. Once you're in, hover your mouse over your designs. You'll observe a few options appearing as you glide over each design, and among these options, you'll find the star icon, our spotlight feature for today. This little star is more than just a decorative element. It's your key to crafting a more efficient workspace. By clicking on this star icon, you mark that particular design as a favorite. Essentially, you're building a personal library of go-to elements that are easily accessible whenever you embark on a new project. No more endless scrolling or struggling to remember designs you loved but just can't seem to locate anymore. With your starred favorites, it's all right there, at your fingertips. Adopting this process of starring elements not only helps keep track of your preferences, but also dramatically reduces the time you spend from ideation to execution in your design projects. It might be beneficial to start making this a routine practice with elements you find versatile or foresee using repeatedly. Over time, this curated collection can turn into a valuable asset in your creative toolkit. However, a tip for those passionate creatives out there: while starring is incredibly convenient, it's wise not to go overboard. Maintain a starred list that remains manageable and doesn't turn into yet another source of clutter. Think of your starred list as a dynamic gallery, one that evolves to reflect your current styles and design themes. Remember, the star function is there to streamline your creative workflow. With a personalized collection of your most preferred elements, you'll find yourself better equipped to tackle projects quickly and with a burst of creativity. In essence, this feature can save you significant time, allowing you to focus more on the creative process rather than searching for the perfect element. So, there you have it, a simple yet highly effective method to improve your Canva experience. By starring your favorite elements, you're taking a considerable step towards enjoying an organized, efficient, and delightful designing journey. Give it a try and witness how these small actions can lead to remarkable improvements. Thank you for watching and happy designing.